Pierce, you like your choo-choo?
Ooh, here's the big green one. Here goes. Uh-oh.
She's knocking the rocks off.
Look at this one. Wow. That's a good one.
It's pretty cold, warm milk in it.
It's pretty cold, warm milk.
Hey.
He likes it lukewarm.
Chugga, 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 choo-choo. Choo-choo.
Chug, chug, chug.
It's funny because those things, those magnets only work one direction. You try to put them together and one way it repels them.
Yeah. That's how magnets work.
Chugga, 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 choo-choo.
Pierce, what does the choo-choo say?
It'll go chug.
Chug, chug, chug.
Step over. Step over. You're okay. You can do things we can't do, so we're not that worried about you. Those are rocks.
You put a rock in here? Here.
Come on, lay
You
down.
can hold rocks.
Oh, lay down.
Too many rocks.
Oh, too many rocks.
Lay down. Lay down. You're going to have to go in the bedroom.
Going backwards.
One,
Yeah. How many rocks do we have?
Can you say 3?
two,
Yep, 2
Yeah.
at least.
And then 3.
the red.
No, wait, what?
Look at all the presents.
No way.
Do we have more presents to open?
I bet you there's some underneath there with your name on them.
Yeah.
Some of them say Pierce.
I two.
Choo-choo.
Right.
Hi, Pierce.
Come to Mama.
Do you like the snow? Oh, Moya likes the snow. Moya likes it. Yay. What do you think, buddy? There's Mama.
You play?
Oh, he likes it. He said it's sort of like a sandy beach, but it's cold. Look. Yay! Do a little dance. Yay!
Videotaping.
I'm videotaping. Oh, Moya will help you, Pierce. Yay!
Oh, he's taking his mitten off.
Oh, that's gonna be cold.
Oh, it's cold.